Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a header in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply click on enter. After that it will simply take you to this page, and from here what you need to do is simply click on the My Home option in the left hand side. After that you have to just simply click on the Edit Site option, and then you have to just simply choose the page that you would like to edit. So let's say I'd like to go for this one. Then what you need to do is simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar. Then here you have to simply search for the header option, then simply click on enter. After that, here you can see you have already got the header. Then simply place it to the website that you would like to place. Then after that it will simply, here you can see that the option is not showing here, but in your place it will simply show the option of header. And after you press the header option, you can just simply choose it here. Here you can see the header 1, header 2 and header 3 showing here. So let's say I would like to place this one, and here you can see we have already placed the header from 2 here, and you can also edit it accordingly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.